If you want to go into mathematics because you like numbers, don't do that!
That is terrible advice. I'm a professor of mathematics. I am a number theorist myself. I have written a book about number theory, and I'm here to give you the complete opposite advice. If you are interested in numbers, if you like numbers, then yes, go into a degree in mathematics because you are going to love it.
If you like numbers, study physics. Or accounting, you'll see plenty of numbers there.
I'm going to give more credit to high school students that say are interested in numbers than they're just interested in things like accounting. Nothing wrong with accounting, but if you're interested in numbers in the sense of mathematics, then I'm going to give you more credit and think that you're probably interested in also like questions about why do these things work out with numbers, and is there a reason for this? For example, 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared, and you might love numerical coincidences like those in integers, and you might find them beautiful because, well, they are beautiful, and you might be interested to know, well, are there more? Are there other, what we call Pythagorean triples? And if so, how do I find other Pythagorean triples like this? Well, it turns out there is an equation for Pythagorean triples that is given in this form. If you put any m and n integers, this is a new Pythagorean triple, and you might be wondering, why? Why does this equation work? How did I arrive at this conclusion? And also, are all Pythagorean triples like that one? Are all of them of this form? Well, if you are asking yourself these kinds of questions, then a degree in mathematics is exactly for you. Because if as a high school student you're already interested in the questions about why do those exist, why do they work, how do we find them all? As a college student, you're going to be interested in the proofs, the mathematical evidence that we have to prove that every Pythagorean triple is of that form. How does that work? How can we be sure? You might find that fascinating, and the proofs themselves, not just the numbers, will be something that you really love in the future.
Without having to take topology.
The thing about math is that all the areas are connected, and at some point you learn that things like topology are also related to the geometry of numbers. And that's the beauty of math. Everything is connected, and I think you would really love a degree in mathematics.